So welcome to the Solidity blockchain course. My name is Marcus and I've been involved in blockchain technology since early in the beginnings of Bitcoin. I'm glad you want to learn about the new decentralized technology. But why would anyone want to learn this? Well, of course, we mostly learn this technology to be able to understand all the memes around it. You know, like this one here, for example. Okay, but in all seriousness though, learning about blockchain technology is probably the area with the most innovation happening for the next several years. It will revolutionize the way we are working with finance. I was always convinced that it would happen, and now it's happening even faster than I could have ever imagined. The tech of crypto is evolving very rapidly. It's sometimes hard even for me to keep up. So don't feel bad about this yourself. Everyone feels like this. But it goes to show how much there is still left to do. So I'm happy to invite you as the next person to join us. And you won't really need to have any prior knowledge about blockchain to follow this course. It's meant as a complete introduction. Although I'm pretty sure even when you have some Solidity and blockchain knowledge already, you would still learn something new here. And having some basic programming skills will of course be useful. So we will first start with a blockchain 101, a dive into the basics of blockchains, but in ways you've probably not yet heard of. And then we go into the Ethereum 101, learning why we need it, how smart contracts work compared to Bitcoin, and how the Ethereum virtual machine works. And then we will get into the Solidity stuff. First with an overview, because quite honestly in the beginning it can be overwhelming with all these new technologies and tools, and then you don't even know where to start and how this is all connected. And then we learn Solidity. And while doing so, we will learn how ERC20 tokens work, implement our own ERC20 token, and then extend it to more advanced use cases, like building our own fully decentralized stablecoin, a concept from decentralized finance. And we will build a decentralized casino as well. At the end, you will have learned almost all concepts about the Solidity programming language. In the end, we will also talk about the future of blockchains. Where are we currently and where I think the space might be headed to. And also how the new upgrade ETH 2.0 will change Ethereum. Although the name ETH 2.0 is now actually not even used officially anymore, and instead there will be a range of upgrades added to Ethereum one by one. If you're still skeptical about this whole cryptocurrency thing, or maybe you've heard bad things about it from banks, well, I'm not too surprised. But I think this comic here explains it well. It says, I'm thinking of putting some money into Bitcoin. Do you know anything about it? Well, that would be a very risky venture. Bitcoin is quite volatile. It's a virtual currency controlled by shadowy people in an unregulated environment, without any real guarantee of return. You never know when the value will drop or be forced down by nefarious forces, or your money stolen by unscrupulous low-life scum. So, how is it any different than the regular banking system or the stock market? When you use Bitcoin, I can't charge you fees. And with that, I wish you a happy journey towards becoming the next blockchain dev. We need more people like you to join us. There is so much to do.